Health advantages of aloe vera. Many people know of the healing forces of aloe vera. Most the employment will likely shallow medicine like little wounds and blazes, using prepared aloe vera cream. Nevertheless, the effective use of aloe vera is a lot more than that. Current advances can extricate aloe vera into immaculate cases or supplements. These supplements, when extended over a time period of time, may be valuable for your overall success. Improves digestion. Among the qualities of aloe vera is its common detoxifying capacities. Consistently expanding aloe vera supplements can enhance solid discharges and increment protein retention. And meanwhile, diminish case of yeast and microbes contaminations. Regulate unwanted weight. Since aloe vera supplements help and scrub your digestive tract, you are able to maintain a healthy weight viable as well as help to reduce unwanted weight. Numerous nutrition we take today holds unsafe and unwanted substances which can lead to torpidity and occasional vitality level. When conceivable, incorporate aloe vera supplements inside your eating methodology to grow your vitality levels and up a body weight. Boost defense mechanisms. Aloe vera, using its common immune enhancers, gives characteristic and additional backing for your defense mechanisms. All of us understand that our defense mechanisms works during the day, and a proven method may strike great bovine collagen.